Are you looking for the best Tuya Zigbee Smart Fingerbot Plus switch button? In this video we will look at some of the best Tuya Zigbee Smart Fingerbot Plus switch button on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Aubess Tuya Zigbee Smart Fingerbot Plus Robot Button. New upgrade Zigbee version Tuya Zigbee Gateway. Hub is required. App remote control. The Smart Fingerbot Plus can be controlled by mobile phone. Connect Zigbee Gateway. Voice control. The smart switch button pusher can be controlled through a voice device at home. Timed start. You can set the time in the app and start the Fingerbot button at a regular time. Ultra long battery life. The Zigbee Fingerbot uses the CR2 battery, which has ultra long battery life. Convenient installation. Stick glue on the bottom surface of the Fingerbot, paste it in the required position. Open the mobile phone app for configuration and use. Number 2. Tuya Zigbee Fingerbot Plus Smart Fingerbot Switch. Only support Bluetooth. Required hub. Please note that this switch will not work in a humid environment. If you encounter any situation where the Fingerbot does not work, please check and browse the documentation of troubleshooting. Point-to-point control with no hub required. Turn on the phone. Bluetooth can be paired. You can customize the settings of various functions, perfectly match your life. Number 3. Tuya Zigbee Smart Fingerbot Plus Switch Button. New upgrade Zigbee version Tuya Zigbee Gateway. Hub is required. Mini body design 34.5 x 34.5 34.5 mm mini body, which is working with most of product. It is not only small, but also powerful. It can be used for most of home appliances and lighting. App remote control. Download Smart Life /Tuya Smart App on your phone and tablet to control the switch anywhere, anytime. Hand-free voice control compatible with Yandex, Alice, Amazon Alexa, Echo, Google Home Ect. A simply command to voice control the receiver. Number 4. Tuya Smart Zigbee Fingerbot Plus Switch Button. Tuya Zigbee Gateway. Hub is required. The Smart Fingerbot Plus can be controlled by mobile phone. Connect Zigbee Gateway. The smart switch button pusher can be controlled through a voice device at home. You can set the time in the app and start the Fingerbot button at a regular time. The Zigbee Fingerbot uses the CR2 battery, which has ultra-long battery life. Stick 3M glue on the bottom surface of the Fingerbot, paste it in the required position. Open the mobile phone app for configuration and use. Number 5. Tuya Zigbee Bluetooth Fingerbot Plus. Product name Fingerbot. Charging model. Product size 34.5 x 34.5 x 46.5 mm. Product weight 36 grams. Charging port Type C. Battery type rechargeable lithium battery. Operating temperature -10 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Product torque 2.0 kg. F.cm. Thrust 10 newtons. Maximum movement distance 12 mm. Wireless protocol Bluetooth 5.2.